Introducing the stunning 2019 Audi A4 Limousine 2.0 Ti 150 STSE in sleek grey. This luxurious saloon boasts a powerful 2-litre diesel engine, automatic transmission, and a host of top-of-the-line features for your comfort and safety. From air conditioning and satellite navigation to ABS and multiple airbags, this car has it all. Enjoy the convenience of Bluetooth phone connectivity, cruise control, and voice control, along with the added security of centralized locking and collision avoidance braking. With a stylish chrome package, spoiler, and roof rails, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Plus, rest easy, knowing your Audi has undergone a full, multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional offer. Contact us at michaelmoore.ie for more information today.